What's up? Welcome back. This is episode 3 of the Camry series. First episode, basic maintenance. Second episode, made it look amazing. Third episode,
speakers in the car.
Oh, but you don't have any speakers. 1 second.
Oh.
There we go. Let's get them in the car. Alright, so we're about to get ready with the install. So first thing that we're going to have to do is take off this door card. Now, I'm not going to be surprised if after we take this off, you see the speakers basically disintegrate. We'll take a look at the speaker once we get into it, and then see the condition of it, and then get the new speakers in, and then just go from there. I think we have disconnected everything that we need to. This screw was so far back we couldn't get it to come out, but it is loose. So now all that we should have to do is go all the way around and pop these tabs and take the door card off. All right guys, we just got the door card off. We're looking at the speaker now, and just as I predicted, all this just basically disintegrated around it. So once you're hearing the sound, all this is doing is just kind of flapping in the wind, and it really sounds awful. So we're gonna remedy that today. We're gonna go ahead and take these 3 bolts out, take this out, put the new one in, see how it sounds. All right, so we got the speaker disconnected, and I was looking for the connector for this harness, so we traced it up. It's up here at the top of the door, which is fine, but as you can see here, that's not going to be long enough to get down to our speaker. So I'm going to disconnect this from the door and see if we can't get a little extra length here so we don't have to do any additional splicing. Oh, maybe, oh, because it's supposed to go up. So if we can connect it like straight up here, then we should be okay. So if we can get it to fit like this, even though, I mean, it looks like it's upside down, but I don't think that's gonna matter as far as the sound. If we can get it to fit like that, then you'll be good. So let's go look at the bracket, and then let's see what else we need to do. All right, we're gonna do one here. And here. And here. And there. Yep. I'm gonna go get the drill. So in drilling into this door, I just need to be careful because the glass is pretty close behind this, so I don't want to go too far in and then hit the glass and shatter it. That would ultimately be a bad day. What the freak, bro? All right, go ahead and start it up and listen to it. All right, we got the speaker all hooked up. We tested it. It sounds great. So we're going to go ahead and put the door panel back on, jump onto the other side, and do the exact same thing. All right, guys, we got the front speakers in. We're now in the back. They are 2 speakers in the rear deck here. We have to remove pretty much all of this back interior from what I gather. So we're basically gonna jump into it. We got to get these bolsters off first, and just a myriad of other things that we have to disconnect. So let's get started.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Oh yeah, the summer night, the summer night, oh the summer nights.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life.
Guys, we finally got the back speakers in. They sound amazing, as you can see from Camilla's expression. She's pretty happy with them. All that's left for this speaker install is for us to put the rear interior back together, and then we're finished. Let's get to it. Install complete. Speakers are done. Camilla, your thoughts?
Amazing! I love it. Time to go party in the car.
Also, if you've never used Crutchfield before, they are an awesome company to buy products from. They actually send you a PDF for installation instructions and how to break down all the components to get access to those products that you are going to be installing. Next episode, it could be a myriad of things. Honestly, we don't know at this point in time. We're probably going to be doing valve cover gaskets, power steering pump, or EGR components, or maybe all 3. We're not really sure at this time. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.
See ya. I'm just thinking about the speakers. Can't wait to get in that car. 1 hand on the, 2 hands on the wheel.
Outro for the speakers, you say?